My peeps, what's going down? All right. Enough of the fucking armchair quarterback bullshit. That's right. You know what I'm talking about. Those of you who love to sit back and fucking talk about how fucking great you once were, probably in a time when nobody could fucking verify how fucking great you were. It was how great you claim you were. Sitting back and fucking talking about doing or talking about how you used to do, it's fucking horseshit. Shut your fucking mouth and do today. It doesn't make a difference how fucking good you were yesterday. How fucking good are you today? How low do your fucking balls hang today? Do you have the fucking sack to get the job done today? Are you willing to do what you've got to do today? Are you willing to sacrifice today? Are you willing to bleed? Are you willing to do the things it takes today? Nobody fucking cares about yesterday. Nobody fucking cares about what you used to be. Currency is today. Currency is tomorrow. It's all about the future, not the fucking past. If you are living in the past, you need to wake the fuck up. If you think that being great before, or if you think that doing something well in the past holds currency now, I'm gonna think that through again. Because people who were once good at something, let me fucking fill you in on something, they're also good at something today. Because when you become good at something, that's a skill. And you carry that on to other things. So if you're one of these motherfuckers sitting back in the fucking armchair telling everybody how fucking great you once were, just realize people know you're full of shit. Ask yourself a question. What are you today? What are you going to be tomorrow? That is the fucking currency. That is what makes a fucking difference. That is what you need to think about. That is exactly what life is all about. Fuck yesterday. It's all about today. It's all about tomorrow. Rock and roll.